You're welcome to another segment of your informative and educative channel. This is Lady J channel where we teach ourselves what healings that we can receive from nature. Has nature ever done anything for you? Remember your pot of saint leaf, your pot of aloe vera, your pot of bitter leaf, your pot of miracle leaf. Water it and put it in the ray of sun. My numerous subscribers, I really appreciate you. You are wonderful. So, if you are joining my channel for the first time, you are in the right place. So, let's write together. Which part of nature are we going to use today to heal ourselves? And what are we going to be discussing about? I'll be talking about dry cough. Dry cough, yes. It is what happens every day. Dry cough. Which part of nature are you going to use to tackle today with that? It's very simple. It is what you see every day. Yes. You need bitter kola. Bitter kola, 20 bitter kola. You need issue baaka. Yes. Issue baaka. And African star apple, which is called agbalumo. Yes. You need these three nature together. Get your bitter kola. You are going to remove the peel, then use your grater to do it. After that, just put it where there is hair, just for it to get dry. Don't put it directly to the sun. Then your issue baaka, you need just two, and you need the dry one also. Then your Africa star fruit apple, Africa star apple, you can see you need this 30 of this. Which part of it do you want to make use of? There is another seed inside. This is the shell. There is another fruit inside it, which is a little bit whitish like this. This one is dry. So you need 30 of this. You are going to grate it also and allow it to get dry. So the three recipes are going to be dry. After getting it dry, you now need palm oil. Yes, you need palm oil. This is the bottle of a palm oil. But which one of this palm oil do you need? You need this one, this lighter part. Yoruba call it ogere epo. Yes, this is the one that you need. This palm oil, the lighter part, not the thicker part. This is the one that you need. So you are going to use it to mix the three recipes together. The bitter kola dry, issue baaka dry, African star apple dry. So you now add your palm oil, the lighter part, ogerepo, you add it into it. Then you mix it together, allow it to stay for a day. So you start taking it the following morning. How are you going to make use of it? Or how are you going to be taking it? You can lick it. You can lick it 3-finger licking, but you can also use your tablespoon. 1.5 or 1 tablespoon is okay. 1.5 or 1 tablespoon is okay, depending on the dryness of that cough. You can lick it, but if you lick it, you are not going to know the measurements. That is why I said you use your tablespoon to measure it. So that is what we do on Lady J channel, to bring it closer to you, to teach you. I know you know bitter kola very well. Agbalumo, African star fruit, you love it very well. But what are you going to do with it? The healing that is attached to it. That is why I said, always like my page, share my page, subscribe to my page. press your notification button so that anytime I upload my video, you will be the first person to watch my video. So if you need more explanation, your comments, send it to me. I'm going to reply you back. Yes. So till then, stay blessed.